Good morning. Listen, I'm here to tell you a secret. So listen carefully. This secret has been used by college students to graduate college, by businessmen to get promotion after promotion, and scientists to come up with great theories, and composers to finish symphonies. So listen carefully. Shh. The secret is breakfast. Okay, I admit, breakfast is not a secret. But the point is, not enough people make use of this wonderful resource. So the idea is that you and your kids get something in your stomach before you get to work or school. That way, there's a better chance of you passing your tests, of you not having an argument with your boss, and you actually enjoying your day much more than you would otherwise. Also, what you put in your stomach has a lot to do with how well your day goes. If it's just empty sugar and empty carbs, by 10 o'clock you're going to be bottoming out and probably even more crabby than if you hadn't eaten. So, you may ask yourself, what does Mr. Smarty Pants eat for his breakfast? Here's the answer.
It's oatmeal, yay! And here we go. This is how you make it. You put it in a high-edged bowl. You add 1.5 cups of water, and then 3/4 of a cup of the oats. I used the old-fashioned kind, not the instant one, so I add my own ingredients. And we have a pinch of salt, that is optional. Stir that all together, and we put it in Mr. Microwave for how long, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, 3 minutes on high. Okay, now, once that's done, make sure you have a pot holder, and you bring it on out. Now, it's kind ouch, yes. You'll find that it's kind of separated a little bit during the churning process, so you want to stir it together to integrate the oats with any kind of loose water. And now we make the magic. What we're going to do is, what I like to do is add a big dollop of peanut butter. Now this is an adult size meal. If you're going to make it for the kids, I would change the quantities, and that'll be on the website. So now we stir that all in, and we add 2 to 3 tablespoons of raisins. You could use currants, you could use apples, and then about the same amount of chopped walnuts. You could use pecans, you could use almonds. It's really your choice. And once that's all stirred together, I add a little bit of milk. There's 2 things about the milk. It makes it a consistency that's a little more to my liking, and it cools it down so I can eat it quicker. Okay, now one thing that I do, in terms of adding sweetening, I use honey. I do not use granulated sugar, mainly because honey is digested in a more even process and you don't get that sugar high and then the subsequent dip. Really, this whole meal is geared toward giving you nice, consistent energy throughout the day. And now, if I'm in a hurry and I don't have a chance to eat it at home, the bowl is still hot, so I'm using the pot holder, but I take this amount of oatmeal and I put it into my travel mug. You see, it happens to be about the exact size needed for this size serving of oatmeal. So that's a great thing. That takes a little bit of doing, but once that's all done, we have it ready to go on the road, and I can get to work and chomp on my oatmeal when I have a chance. So, and if there's a little bit left over, I can eat that right now, before the kids start screaming for me to take them to school.
Okay, so that's my secret. It's breakfast. And, more specifically, oatmeal. I really think it makes all the difference in my day. I have so much more energy, I'm more focused, and I'm a nicer guy. And I think if you were to give it a try, it would only take 5 or 10 minutes to make. You only have to get your kids up a little bit earlier, and I think that they'll find that it makes all the difference, and it'll make you a better single-parent chef.